If you're planning a cruise to the Mediterranean and don't know where to start, this video is for you. We've put together the perfect 7-day Mediterranean cruise itinerary to help you experience the best ports, iconic cities, and unforgettable coastal scenery Europe has to offer. From ancient ruins and cliffside villages to crystal blue water and world-class food, this journey is absolutely unreal. Why the Mediterranean? The Mediterranean is one of the most iconic cruise destinations in the world. You're sailing through thousands of years of history, Roman empires, Greek temples, medieval towns, all while waking up in a new country almost every day. One morning you're walking cobblestone streets in Italy, the next you're standing on a cliff in Greece, looking out over the Aegean Sea. It's culture, scenery, and food all packed into 1 week. If you've never cruised the Mediterranean before, trust me, this one belongs at the top of the list. This is what you're going to want to pack. The Mediterranean is warm, but you'll be doing a lot of walking. Comfortable walking shoes are non-negotiable. Lightweight breathable clothes, sun protection, a hat, sunglasses, and a small day backpack for excursions. Bring a refillable water bottle because European summers are no joke. A portable charger for your phone or camera is clutch, and yes, bring a swimsuit. Between beach clubs, island stops, and ship pools, you'll absolutely use it. One more thing, motion sickness bands aren't a bad idea, especially in open water crossings. Better to have them than need them. Day 1. Your journey begins in Barcelona. If you can arrive a day early, this city deserves it. Before boarding, walk through the Gothic Quarter, grab tapas, or check out the exterior of the Sagrada Familia. Once on board, unpack, explore the ship, and get familiar with the layout. As the ship pulls away from port, head up on deck, watching Barcelona fade into the distance. With a drink in hand is a perfect way to kick off your week. Now on to day 2. Your first port is Marseille, one of France's oldest cities. Start at the Old Port and stroll along the waterfront. If you want views, head up to Notre Dame de la Garde, which sits high above the city and gives you a panoramic look at the coast. This is a great do-it-yourself port day. Easy to explore on your own, relaxed pace, and incredible food. Grab a coffee, enjoy the sea breeze, and ease into European cruising. Day 3 brings you to Livorno, your entry point to Florence and Pisa. Florence is full of history. You'll see the famous cathedral, the old bridges, and beautiful buildings everywhere you walk. It's busy but well worth it. Many cruises also stop at the Leaning Tower of Pisa for the classic photo. This is one port where a guided tour really helps you. The cities are spread out, so having transportation planned saves time and stress. It's a long day, but one you won't forget. Day 4 brings you to Rome, Italy, and this is a big one. The cruise port is about an hour and a half away from the city, so planning ahead really matters when you're in Rome. Once you're in Rome, it's non-stop highlights: the Colosseum, the Trevi Fountain, Vatican City, and the Spanish Steps. You won't see everything, and that's okay. Pick a few must-see spots, move at a steady pace, and soak it all in. Rome isn't just a city, it's an experience. Day 5 is all about Naples and the Amalfi Coast. You've got options here. Pompeii if you love history, Amalfi Coast if you want jaw-dropping scenery, Capri if you're after that island escape vibe. And yes, this is where you eat some of the best pizza on the planet, no exaggeration. This day is fast-paced, dramatic, and one of the most visually stunning stops of the entire cruise. Now day 6 is a postcard day. Santorini rises straight out of the sea with whitewashed buildings, blue domes, and cliffs that feel unreal. You'll tender into port, then take the cable car up, skip the donkeys. From there, explore Fira or head to Ia for the iconic views. This is one of the most photographed places in the world for a reason. Take your time, find a quiet corner, and just take it all in. Your final day brings you to Athens, Greece. If you're flying home the same day, plan carefully. But if you can stay overnight, it's absolutely worth it. Visit the Acropolis, walk through Plaka, grab one last Greek meal, and take a moment to reflect on the week. Standing in front of the ruins that are thousands of years old really puts everything into perspective. It's the perfect way to end the trip. If you're still deciding who to sail with, here's a quick version. Celebrity and Princess offer a more relaxed, destination-focused experience. Great food, longer port days, and a slower pace. Royal Caribbean and Norwegian lean more high energy with bigger ships, more entertainment, and resort-style amenities. And Disney is perfect for families with top-tier service and incredible shows. The itinerary stays the same, it's all about how you want to experience it. We hope you guys enjoyed this travel video, and we'll see you in the next Barjack's travel video.